Colors in nature, exploring the beauty and science behind natural colors. What are colors in nature? The significance of colors in ecosystems. Today, we will explore the incredible variety of colors found in the natural world. From the bright blue of the sky to the deep greens of forests. We will also discuss the roles these colors play, from survival mechanisms to attracting pollinators. The science of color. How we see color. Let's begin with the visible light spectrum. To understand colors in nature, we first need to know how we perceive them. Colors come from the visible light spectrum, a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum. How our eyes perceive colors. Our eyes have specialized cells called cones that detect these wavelengths, allowing us to see a variety of colors. Pigments versus structural colors. Nature uses pigments such as chlorophyll in plants and structural colors like those found in butterfly wings to create these effects. Colors in plants. Green, chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Plants showcase an array of colors. Green is the most dominant color due to chlorophyll, which plants use for photosynthesis. Let's proceed to flowers, attracting pollinators with vibrant colors. Example, red, yellow, purple. Flowers, on the other hand, use bright colors like red, yellow, and purple to attract pollinators, such as bees and birds. Let's proceed to autumn leaves, changing colors in fall. In autumn, the green fades as plants prepare for winter, revealing yellow, orange, and red hues. Next is camouflage. Example, chameleons, insects. In the animal kingdom, colors serve many purposes. Some animals use colors to blend into their environment, like the chameleon or certain insects. Next is warning colors. Example, poison dart frogs. Others, like poison dart frogs, use bright, warning colors to signal danger. Next is mating displays. Example, peacocks, birds of paradise. Meanwhile, animals such as peacocks and birds of paradise display vibrant colors to attract mates. Colors in the sky and water. Blue sky, Rayleigh scattering. Nature's colors extend to the sky and water as well. The blue of the sky is due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, where shorter blue wavelengths are scattered by the atmosphere. Sunsets, longer wavelengths of light. During sunsets, longer wavelengths like red and orange dominate. Next is ocean colors, reflections and water depth. Water appears blue because it reflects the sky and absorbs red wavelengths. Colors in minerals and rocks. Gemstones. Colors from trace elements. Example, emeralds, rubies. Colors are also found in minerals and rocks. Gemstones, such as emeralds and rubies, owe their vibrant use to trace elements like chromium and iron. Next is rocks. Different minerals create various colors. Rocks like sandstone, limestone, and marble come in various colors depending on the minerals they contain. Why colors matter in nature? Importance of colors in nature. Number 1. Ecosystem balance. Colors in nature are not just beautiful, they play crucial roles in maintaining ecosystems. Number 2. Survival strategies. For instance, colors can help species survive by enabling camouflage or signaling danger. Number 3. Biodiversity indicators. Additionally, the variety of colors we observe in nature is often a good indicator of biodiversity. Recap of key points. Science of colors, plants, animals, sky, and minerals. Why appreciating nature's colors is essential. The colors we see in nature are both beautiful and functional. They serve a variety of purposes, from helping organisms survive to maintaining ecological balance. Next time you're in nature, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating world of colors around you.